Today we are going to discuss about a technique which will improve your productivity a lot. You will be able to manage your time in a more efficient and effective way. So here I have 10 techniques which is being used by the highly productivity people and millionaires and billionaires people, right? So let us start with the first point. The first point is, do not do multitasking. It means we should not do lots of things simultaneously. For example, if any person is doing the email to some person, and along with that he is listening to song, doing his project and texting the message and doing the lots of things at the same times, and this will reduce the productivity because the person would not able to focus over one thing in a highly way, right? That why you should just do the one thing at a time because it will increase your productivity. The second point is, stop waiting for the right times. Let us suppose, for example, if any person want to start a YouTube channel but basically is giving the excuse such as when he get the, when he will have the camera, then he will make the video, or when he have the good setup, there he will do tip, or when he get mic then he will do. And yes, he will just be giving the excuse. And do you know, people who give the excuse are not that much successful, right? That why you should not do give the excuse. The right time is, every time is the right time, and this present is also the right time. That why if you truly want to do, then you should just do right now. You should not wait for the right time, because right time is, all time is the right time. That's why you should start whenever you want, right? The third point is, not seek after perfection. This point is similar to the second point that I have just discussed now, and we should not, whenever we do any particular things, then we should not do 100%, do with 100% perfection. Do you know why we should not do? Because when we start on new things, then when we try to do that with 100% perfection, then it will require a lot of energy and it will require a lots of effort to do, and we will not be able to, and when we will be not be able to do with 100% perfection, then we will give up that things and we will be not doing that thing, right? That's why we should not seek after perfection. We have to just do the thing, right? But we slowly we have to get level up, and slowly we will be able to reach at the perfection. But we should not do initially, seek the perfection initially. The fourth point is, do not get into small details, and it is also similar to the perfection. Yeah, right? Whenever you basically do the any particular things, then you have to not get into the small details, because if you do, then you will waste a lot of your time, right? And the time is very precious. It is the time is the asset, right? That's why you should avoid this, right? The fifth point is, use online calendar. In calendar you will be writing the goal of this month or this year, uh, right? Or you can also use the offline calendar, and in online calendar you can write the to-do list, that what things that you are going to do today, and lots of things that you can do in the online calendar, right? The sixth point is, doing the exercise, and you have probably listened this word a lots of time, because exercise really improve our time management, right? Research have shown that those people who do the exercise are 72% more productive than those who do not do the exercise. That's why you should must do exercise. The seventh point is, sleep well, and this is also you have listened from a lots of people, from your parents, your friend, or from a lots of people, right? this is sleep well. You should minimally, you should on average, you should on an average sleep 7 to 8 hour. And yes, it is a good hour, right? The eighth point is relaxation time in schedule. It means we have to extract our time from our schedule for the relaxation. The time could be 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 1 hour. For that much time we have to basically give the time for the relaxation, in which we will be doing nothing, or we will be doing the things which we really like. It could be the reading the book, doing the meditation, or doing the journal, or whatever things it can be, right? And yes, this is what you have to do. The ninth point is learn to say no. And do you know what happens when you say yes to the everyone? When you say the yes to the everyone, you are living someone else's life. And if you will get deeper into this statement, you will understand that you are living someone else's life if you continuously say yes to the other people. That's why you should say no to every. That's why it is very necessary for you to say no to millions of things and say yes to very few things, right? And yes, this is what you have to do. The 10th point is follow a hobby. Hobby could be reading the book, or doing the exercise, doing the meditation, doing the journal, or playing some sports, or whatever it could be, right? You should do the things which you really like to do on the daily basis. Do you know what happens when we follow our hobby? Our brain boundaries will get more and more big, because we are continuously learning a new thing on the daily basis, right? And this is very crucial for us to have a hobby in our life. If we do not have, then we have to build the hobby. For me, it is the reading the book. Okay, we have discussed the 10 point, and I am not telling to implement this 10 point uh, in the same time, right? Because it is totally impractical strategy. Instead of that, you can pick 2 to 3 to 4 things out of this technique, and you can start implement on the daily basis. And this will improve your this will improve your productivity a lot, and you would be able to manage your time in a more better way, right? So yes, bye bye.